Trade Balustrade. I just want to do you a quick video showing you how we do custom posts. Quite often if you have an 1800 high post for your privacy screens, we tend to use this method. So we're starting off with the length of tube is whatever it needs to be. This could be 1800 high, 1200 high, it depends what we do, but this is for the custom post. You've got your hammer on base plate. So all we're going to do, put glue all round our base plate, basically putting it all round. And then we've got the activator, that just activates it so it sets quicker. You don't need to use it, but it's best to use it, obviously it sets faster. Once you've got your glue on this, all you're then going to do is put it into your tube, and I just tend to twist it around just so it goes, leave it like that, and it will settle after about 20-30 minutes. We then have a base plate cover, which I haven't got one with me, but you just slide the base plate cover on then, that can then move up and down, and then you've got your fixing points. Once you've got your post in place and you're happy and you're ready, we've then got a few different options for the actual clamps fittings. This is not when you're drilling tapping, this is designed for sliding over the post. So on here you'll see you've got the screw on here is where the glass clamp's going to fix to. These grub screws are what are going to go into the post. So just to show you what will happen is you'll slide this over and then you'll literally just tighten one of these up. And then once you've got that nip tight, that's where it is. Then what you would then do is you then got your glass clamp. All I've undone is these two screws to loosen this off a bit. I've then put my screw through there, which is an M8 screw. That is then going to fix onto there. And all you're going to do is you're going to fix it on, basically, just put your Allen key through there. You could use an electric screwdriver if you want with an adapter, but basically you're just going to tighten it on. Once it's tightened on, it's actually then going to look like this. And then, as I say, all that was going to do is slide over the top. We do it this way around first because you need to do these two grub screws up to get it into place. Then you put your glass clamp on. So you have, this one is an end one. It's just got one fixing point. This would be your mid post. You've got two fixing points. So this would go over and you'd have glass clamp each side. And then when you've got a corner or something that isn't quite a corner, we then have this one, which again, will just go over. And once it's over, you can then adjust this to whatever angle you want, and then you nip it tight. So this way you can have it straight through, which you wouldn't, because it's an angle one, you're going to have it normally 40-90 degrees, so you've got a corner post. Or if it's not a true 90, as I say, you adjust it to whatever you need to, nip it tight, your two glass clamps on. Once you've done that, you've then got, again, sorry I didn't bring one with me, but you then have a saddle if you're having a handrail, or if it's an end post without, it doesn't have a saddle, you just have a flat end cap. That's pretty much all there is to making a custom post. If you need any more help, give us a shout at Trade Balustrade and we'll help you out with anything you need.